In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate multiple videos automatically with Grok AI. We'll keep this simple and focused, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to use a single, well-structured prompt to have Grok draft multiple videos for you at once. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. You'll land on the homepage. From here, the fastest way to get Grok working for you is to start a new conversation, because the chat interface is where you can describe what you want and let Grok produce it automatically. Next, click on Chat. This opens the conversation view where you can provide context and instructions. Think of this as your control room. Whatever you type here becomes the blueprint Grok follows to generate your content. Now click into the message field that says what's on your mind. This is where you'll craft your prompt. Clear, structured input here will save you a lot of back and forth. Since the goal is multiple videos, you'll want to organize your requests so Grok clearly sees separate outputs. Type your prompt with distinct sections. For example, you might say, create 3 short videos for the same product. For each video, include scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. In each scene, provide a 1-sentence visual description, a concise voiceover line, suggested on-screen text, and a recommended duration. You can also specify tone, audience, aspect ratio, and total length to guide the style, like friendly 20-30 seconds vertical. If you already have a theme, include it once at the top so Grok applies it consistently across all videos. The key is consistency. Repeat the same microstructure for each video and each scene so the results are easy to scan and use. When your prompt looks good, click Submit or press Enter. Grok will generate organized outputs based on your structure. If anything comes back too long or unclear, reply in the same chat with a quick refinement, such as keep each scene to 1 sentence of voiceover and 1 line of on-screen text, or label each video clearly and separate them with headings. You can also ask Grok to include timing estimates, transitions between scenes, or alternative voiceover options, and it will adjust accordingly within the same conversation. The more precisely you phrase your request up front, the fewer revisions you'll need. That's it. By visiting Grok, opening chat, composing a clean scene-based prompt, and submitting, you can automatically generate multiple video drafts in one pass. Reuse this prompt structure whenever you need fast, consistent video concepts at scale.